Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Suhas Piyar, studying second year CSC in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about selection sorting. Let us move on to the contents. Firstly, we will discuss about what is selection sorting. Next, algorithm and flowchart of selection sorting. Then how it works, and then program and its output. Firstly, what is selection sorting? Selection sort is a simple and efficient sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly selecting the smallest element from the unsorted portion of the list and moving it to the sorted portion of the list. The algorithm repeatedly selects the smallest element from the unsorted portion of the list and swaps it with the first element of the unsorted part. This process is repeated for the remaining unsorted portion until the entire list is sorted. Algorithm and pseudocode for selection sorting. Firstly, we will set minimum to the location 0, then search the minimum element in the list, and then swap with the value at location of minimum, then increment the minimum to point to the next element. We will repeat this until the list is sorted. This is a flowchart of selection sorting. Flowchart is nothing but a graphical representation of data or algorithm for better understanding of the code visually. It displays step-by-step solution to a problem or algorithm. Now, let us know how selection sorting works. Let us consider an array of size 6. Initially, we will take I as 0, minimum as e of I, and j as I plus 1. Then we will check the condition that minimum is less than j or not. If the condition is true, then j will be incremented. If the condition is false, then j is taken as minimum and then j is incremented. In the above example, the minimum value is 3 and j is I plus 1, that is 4. We will check the condition that minimum is less than j, that 3 is less than 4, the condition is true, then j is incremented, then j becomes 5, then 3 is less than 5, condition is true, then j is incremented, then j becomes 1, then minimum is less than j, that is 3 is less than 1, the condition becomes false, hence minimum is taken as j, then again j is incremented, now j becomes 6. Again we check the condition minimum less than j, that is 1 less than 6. Condition is true, then j is incremented, the j value becomes 2. And again we'll check the same condition, 1 is less than true, the condition is true. So hence the first iteration is concluded. After the first iteration, we will swap the minimum value and then the first value of the array. Then the first element becomes sorted. Then I and j both are incremented. Now we will check the same condition, minimum less than j, 4 is less than 5, true, j is incremented. Then 4 is less than 3, condition false, minimum becomes j, that is 3, and j incremented, j becomes 6. Then 3 is less than 6, true. Then 3 is less than 2, false. Then minimum becomes 2 and j is also 2. And the second iteration is also completed. Then we will swap the minimum value and the second element of the array. Then first two elements become sorted. Then I and j both are incremented. Then in the third iteration, we will check the same condition, minimum less than j, that is 5 less than 6. The condition is false. The minimum becomes j, then j is incremented. Again, we'll check the condition, minimum less than j, 3 is less than 6, true. Then 3 is less than 4, true. Hence, we will swap the minimum and third element of the array. The first 3 elements become sorted. Then we will check the condition minimum less than j, 5 less than 6, true. Then j is incremented. Then 5 less than 4, false. Minimum value becomes j, that is 4. And then in the fourth, we will swap the minimum and fourth element of the array. Then first 4 elements become sorted. Then in the fourth iteration, we will take minimum and j and check the condition minimum less than j, 6 less than 5, false. Hence, minimum becomes j. Then we will swap minimum and the fourth element of the array. Hence, 4 elements, 5 elements also sorted, and then the sixth one is sorted as well. Now let us see the program of the selection sorting. Firstly, we will include the header file stdio.h, and then we will declare a function that is swap. This function uses call by reference to swap two numbers. That is, it uses address of the two variables to swap each other. And then we will declare another function named selection sort. By using for loops, that is I equals 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, and j equals I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus, we will check the condition ARR of j less than ARR of minimum index. If the condition is true, then minimum index will becomes j, and then again we will check the condition that minimum index is not equal to I. Then we will swap the ARR of minimum index and ARR of I. Now by using print array function and for loop, we will print the sorted array. In main function, we will declare an array of size n. Then we will call the function selection sort and print the array using print array function. On the right hand side, we can see the output of the above program. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.